Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ellie and we are here with what you guys can see, another unboxing. What I have for this video, it is this huge box that contains both my mystery bundle and my regular Fabfitfun box. I haven't opened it yet just because I know that my mystery bundles always get packaged in a clear bag. So I wanted to go ahead and unbox that one first, and then I will unbox my Fabfitfun box. So let's get into this box here so we can see what our mystery bundle is for this one. For those of you that don't know about the mystery bundles, these are $29 per bundle. And you can buy them during the add-on sales, edit sales, all the sales that Fabfitfun has. You do pay $29 for it, but you are set to get at least $100 worth of products inside. We have had some really good ones. We have had some really bad ones. So I'm just excited to see what we have in here. Okay, so I have the mystery bundle here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and see what we have inside. I see something that... Well, I mean, I guess it can come in handy. Actually, before I take it back, I took back anything that I thought of saying. The first item here, it is from Power Spurs Snap-on Shoe Lights. These are it here. I don't know. This picture is a little bit hard to tell what it is, but this one here can give you a better picture. It looks like they're bands that you can put in the back of your shoes. So if you do go running in the night or, you know, somewhere where you want to be seen, they can actually see you. So these are it here. Let me open one up. And I was about to say, like, why would they give me this? I would not use it, but thought about it twice because I do go out running sometimes and I do run in residential areas and I am afraid that somebody might not see me and hit me with their car. So as you guys can see, this is actually pretty bright. You just put this in the back of your shoe and your heel or on your ankle, or, you know, that's how they have it on the picture, like in the back of the shoe where your heel goes. You pretty much, you know, put it inside, you turn it on, and as you're running, people can see you. And you do get a set, so you put one on each foot. Oh, it changes. So you go from a solid color, you push it one more time, it blinks, and then you turn it off. So this is actually pretty cool. I was about to, you know, say like, oh, you know, I'm not going to use this, but I actually might. I do not want to get hit while I'm running on the street, especially if it starts getting dark so they can actually see me. Up next, I'm going to go ahead and grab this one. It is from Aesthetica, Strobe Series Illuminate Light to Medium. So I'm assuming this is going to be like some type of contour highlighting palette. Let's take it out. So this is it here. It comes in a sleeve. Oh, there's something in here. Cool. Okay, so the sleeve itself has something in here, so let me take that out. Okay, so what we had in the sleeve was this thing here, and it just says Liquid Strobe Prism, Light to Medium. Oh, that's interesting. So it has a little plug, and then it has, and then it has a little brush here. So let's see what has inside. Here we go again with one of these. Let's see how long until it comes up. It's coming. Wait, is it? Oh, I can barely see it going up. Okay, this is like barely has anything. I can see it moving up here, up on that part. So let me see. It's getting tighter, so I think it's going. Of course. Always happens, never fails. So this is what that looks like. It is a liquid highlighter. It has like a rose goldish, pinkish kind of color, and that is it there. I hope you guys can see it. Now I hope this doesn't come out like crazy like it did last time. But that's it there. Like it said, it's a liquid highlighter. It's really pretty. It's a really pretty color. But now I think I'm gonna get a bunch of it coming out, and it only has like this much, so it doesn't have too much on there. Maybe I'm gonna try to put this little plug. Oh, it's coming out. Great. Maybe I'm gonna try to plug it back in. Maybe that'll help. Okay, so that is the liquid highlighter that it came with. And let's see the palette here. Oh, it comes with a little picture of a lady, of a girl. showing you where you can put your highlighter. So the white areas, Cindy's laughing. The white areas is where you can highlight. And let me show you guys the palette. They're actually really nice colors. Those are it there. They don't look like they're like super like highlighting. Yeah, they look like they're a little bit more on the subtle side. Oh, that's pretty. But they are really pretty highlighters. They're not blinding. They're more color and a little bit of shine more than like a bam, like look at me highlighter, but they're really pretty. So you get 4 of those colors, and it is a light to medium palette. So I'm assuming they have for darker complexions as well. Up next, I'm gonna grab this one. And this is from Laura Geller, and that is the Low and Define Dual Dimension Eyeliner. So that is the box there. That is how it comes packaged. And let's see. Oh, okay. So this one says platinum, and this one says black. So, oh, okay, not what I was expecting. So that is what you have on the platinum side. It just says Low and Define Dual Dimension. So this is, oh, that's a really pretty color. So that is the silver one. That is what you get on the silver side. And then this one says black. So, oh, and this one's a liquid one. Cool. So that's it there. That's the black, and then the silver right next to it. This one has a really thick tip, so it might be kind of hard to get a defined, like a thin defined line, but it's really black, and it doesn't seem like it's bleeding into my little lines. So that is our other item that we got. And then we are down to the very last set from the box, and it is from, of course, Wonder Beauty. So we have a travel bag with 3 items inside, and let's take them out so we can see what they are. So we have this one here, Drift Away Cleanser. So it's a cleanser. Then we have a moisturizer, and we have a, what is this here? Extra Mileage Hair Refresher. Ooh. Okay, so this one is pretty, this one I guess should be like travel friendly because it looks like they are all, yeah, this is 1 ounce. This is 0.67 ounces. And this one here, it is 0.94 ounces. So this should be travel friendly, and it comes with this clear plastic bag that you can pretty much just throw it all in here and, you know, take it away. So this one, the cleanser says it helps draw out impurities for brighter, smoother looking skin. The moisturizer says it provides up to 72 hours of hydration, and the hair refresher, it improves elasticity for a healthier feeling hair. Not for for healthier feeling hair. So those were the products that we got here in the box. I think we got some pretty cool ones. I like this. I like the idea of just having everything in one bag and getting it, grab and go. I do like the illuminating palette. But I really like that. I like the items that I got. Not all of them. I'm not a huge fan of this eyeliner just because we get a lot of eyeliners. I do like the fact that it has 2 different ones. It has a black and it has a platinum color, but we do get a lot of eyeliners. So I'll get the total here, and I'll put the total of the items that I found online here so you guys can see how much this box is valued at. And that is it. That is all from me for today. This was my mystery bundle. I think this was the add-on. I think this was for the add-on sale. But let me know what you guys think of the items that I got here in this box, in this bundle. And that is all for me for today. I will be back really soon with another unboxing, and I hope I will see all of you back there or back here next time. Bye.